Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is blues guitar talking. What is this? Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. The guitar talking trick. I've been teaching that a lot, and it's really hard to teach that because what is the guitar talking trick? This one here. That's the guitar talking trick. The main idea of the guitar talking trick is the idea of what is blues. You know, this, you cannot put this into licks. This is not about licks, it's about talking. The guitar talking trick is, think about, that's the classical picture. You have a married couple and they're fighting with each other, and or they're talking with each other. So as an example, you have one guy, the husband saying something like, "I'm hungry." And then the wife says, "I don't want to cook for you." So try to make the words which you're expressing with music as graphic as possible. How you do that? I don't know, because talking is a thing which is really individual. That's why I never did this tutorial before, but I thought today is a good day to do that. The blues guitar talking video. There are several ways of expression. First of all, the technical requirements on your guitar should be that you know at least the root position of a pentatonics. Oopsie, there came in a wah-wah, which we don't want. And position 2. So you have, as an example, you have the two main positions of the main bending. The main bending of the G minor pentatonics will be here in the 5th fret on the G string. I'm not going to close you because it's not really, as I said, it's not about licks, it's about talking. So how do we do talking? You have to put in emotions into your phrase which you're doing. So if you want to have a smooth talk, a relaxed talk, you make. Let's do this with this backing track. That's something more smooth, relaxed, soft. And now you get a understanding answer. So like kind of a loving answer. How do you express a loving answer with 2 notes? Try to think about how do you express a loving answer with 2 notes. That's the path to guitar talking. Okay? Or now let's do another exercise. First talk is "I'm frustrated." I'm so frustrated. I'm so sad. Now the answer is something more therapeutic, supportive. Cheer up, cheer up a bit. But I'm still sad. Think about when you practice stuff like that, how does it sound when I'm sad? I said you cannot put this into licks. It's about your personal expression on the guitar and your abilities on sound design on the guitar. Now let's do another example. I'm really angry and neurotic and I'm overdriven. Therefore I take a distorted sound. By the way, you don't need to stick to any rules. Like when I try to express overdriven, then I do overbending. That's also a way to express being overdriven or frustrated. Now the answer could be even more overdriven or try to calm down. We first do more overdriven, then leads to even more overdriven on the counterpart, and then the counterpart says something calming down. More overdriven answer. Leads to even more overdriven. And now we try to soften it down. See, that's the way the whole thing works. We could do endless examples. The main trick is try to find out how does it sound when you want to express a certain phrase or a certain emotion and try to transport it here on the fretboard. Music is far the better way of communication because it's more specific on the emotional impact of a phrase. You know, you can say, I see a tree. I see a tree can have several expressions, but if you do I see a tree like this, that's a happy way, or I see a tree, a sad way. You know, same phrase, but with the music gives a more precise view to what you have to say, and that's why it makes really sense, and it's part of my personal artistic work to really try to make emotions into music and learn improvisation concepts which is focused on emotions and not licks. You know, licks is just a summary of notes, but here we're gonna do emotions, and that's, by the way, that's what music is about, not about licks. Think about this. I thought this would be really interesting for you guys. As I said, I could do more examples, but I think if you're still watching now, you got the point. If you want to practice it with that backing track you just heard, where I play the organ, by the way, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. If you want to share your guitar talk, you can share it there. It would be cool that you would join. Me and Dr. Pink are saying goodbye.